In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reactivate an archived Exness trading account. By the end, you'll confidently bring an inactive account back into your active list, whether you're on the mobile app or the web platform. Let's start with where this happens. You'll be working in the Exness personal area, often called the PA. Open the official Exness app or go to the official website, then sign into your account as you normally would. Take a moment to check you're on the genuine platform and keep your login details private for security. Once you're in, head to the Accounts area. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled My Accounts or simply Accounts. Here, look for the Archived tab. This tab groups accounts you previously set aside so you can keep your active list clean. If you don't immediately see the archived task, scroll horizontally across the account categories or check for filters that might be hiding it. On mobile, make sure your app is up to date so all tabs and buttons appear correctly. When you've opened the Archive tab, you'll see the accounts that are available to bring back. On the mobile app, reactivation is quick. Swipe the archived account card to the side to reveal the action options, then tap Reactivate. The swipe gesture usually goes left, but follow what your interface shows. Confirm the action if prompted, and you're done on mobile. On the web platform, you'll find a Reactivate button next to the archived account you want to restore. Click that button, and the system will begin moving the account back to your active list. If you prefer, you can also deposit funds into that archived account instead of pressing Reactivate. Making a deposit will automatically bring it back to active status. Choose whichever method feels more convenient for you. After you've reactivated or deposited, return to your active accounts list. Your account should now appear there, ready for use. Give the page a quick refresh or pull down to refresh on mobile if it doesn't show up instantly. From here, you can manage it just like any other active account, including making new deposits, placing trades, or adjusting settings. If an option seems missing, double-check you're in the correct tab and that your app or browser is up to date. A quick refresh often resolves visual glitches. And that's it, reactivation in just a few clicks or taps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you reactivate your own account.